Burning fruit.
Hi there, welcome to this video. I'm Steve from Burning Fruit, your user experience specialist, and we're here to tell you all the user experience secrets that we've learned over 10 years creating high-performing, converting websites.
Hi there, my name's Steve Wigley, here again to show you another set of secrets that you can use on your website to make sure you maximize conversions. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you can hit like and subscribe, that would be awesome, because then we can then keep creating this really cool content to help business owners like you and website owners like you improve the experience that your audience has on your website. And obviously, if they have a better experience on your website, they're going to convert, they're going to spend their money, they're going to spend their time looking at you and your business. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope this video does deliver another set of secrets that you can use. I just want to talk a little bit about why I'm doing this, because so many businesses do the same mistakes time and time again. You look across the net, there are some terrible websites, but there are also some really high-end, apparently high-end websites that are still making these costly mistakes. And if you make costly mistakes, it's going to lower your return on investment. If you spend a lot of money or a lot of time creating a website, you want to get your bang for your buck. And so making these mistakes is just lowering the quality of your business and lowering your audience's perception of your business as well. And it's driving customers away. It's costing you big time. Okay. And these videos are here to give you actionable tips, either by yourself or by your web developer, to make massive improvements to your website to massively improve your return on investment, gain market share, get more revenue into your business. So these videos are really here to help. And if you follow these steps, I can guarantee you that you will increase your bottom line.
Burning fruit.